The stockings.
Oh, let me see. Let me see. Oh, very cool. All right. What else you got?
Band-Aids.
Band-Aids?
No, you do this.
Well, you can show it.
Well,
It's
paper.
Cat food. Cat food.
it's a bin of.
Okay, I was at the airport and I ended up buying this. It's called Dramamine because I have motion sickness. So I was able to scan it, and we could talk about this too. So,
There's a box of light bulbs.
okay. All right. So which one did you scan? Let's start with one of them.
I didn't scan one yet because I didn't know how to do it.
Okay. So pick one. Pick
Light bulbs.
all right. So in the box, you'll notice there's like a bunch of numbers right there. You see it? You see like a little barcode that has like numbers on the bottom?
Yes.
Okay, so you get your phone and you scan that barcode with Scoutify 2 app.
Do I do it right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you how to do it.
It's still loading.
It's okay.
Have you used it?
Is the phone, does it come up with some data? Is it popping up with some data?
It's like frozen.
I can't.
I don't know.
Let me see. Are you using the Scoutify 2 app?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Scoutify 2.
Right, you've got to log in.
Oh, I have to log in.
Okay, you didn't set it up yet?
No.
Yeah, I'll do it.
It's okay. You have your mom do it, and we can go over while she's doing that. You can tell me the number, and I'll do it on my end. Okay?
Yeah, you're gonna read here the numbers. You don't have the email address right here.
I know.
Okay. So I'm going to do a screen share because I'm going to find out. We'll do it together. Where's my? Okay, so the number that's in the box, you want to tell me, so I'll type it in here.
7, 8.
The whole thing, all the way from the left. All the numbers. Okay? From left to right.
7, 8, 7, 4, 2, 18, 66, 5.
Oops. Let's do that again. 7, 8.
7, 4, 2. Do I still read those? There's another side with numbers. Do I just read that?
Everything. That whole, all the numbers in that barcode.
1, 8.
Start from the beginning.
Okay. 7, 8.
Mm-hmm.
4, 2. Wait, I did it wrong. 7, 8, 7.
Mm-hmm.
4, 2.
Mm-hmm.
1, 8. 6, 6. 5.
5. Are you sure that it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 digits? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'll use this one then.
I'll use a different one.
No, we could definitely do the light bulbs. We're almost there.
Okay.
Can you show me the barcode so I can see?
I lost it. I don't know if you can see
Oh,
it.
yeah, it's really hard. There's a smaller number on the left side.
Oh yeah, it's 8.
That's what I'm looking at. And then there's another small number on the right side. What's that?
0.
That's what we're missing, okay? It has to be all the numbers.
Oh.
Okay? So we're going to do a search. Oh, I guess they can't, we don't find your light bulb is not popping up. Let's do another one.
We'll do Band-Aid. How about that? 3 1 8 1.
3181.
No. 3 8 1.
Okay.
3 7
Mm-hmm.
0 0 4 6 6 6 0.
Oh, shoot. Let's do that again. Oh, there it is. Is that it? Your Band-Aid?
Yep.
Okay, so you can get this on your phone too when your phone is up. So the first thing we look at, okay, is ranking. Is there a number in the rank?
No.
No. And what a rank is that's when Amazon ranks each item on the website. Every item on Amazon has a number, has a rank number. It's called bestsellers rank. So the lower the number, Erica, the popular it is. Okay? So if it's 0,
It's really popular.
no, actually it's 0. It's 0 because it's probably new. Like nobody's bought it yet. And look, there's nobody selling it. There's 0. That means that there's a listing, but nobody's selling it. And that's why the rank is 0, because there's no information on it. Okay, let's do another one. That's a good example.
What about these? Okay.
No, I want to do this. There's Ziploc bags.
Ziploc bags? Okay, let's do that one.
0787
0787
42
42
05
05
81
81
2.
2. Let's look at that one. Nope. Which one was that?
The Ziploc bags.
Are you sure that's all the numbers? You want to look at my numbers? Is that all of them? Everything, including the small number.
Oh, you did it wrong. Between the 5 and the 8 is a 0.
Okay. There it is. Okay, there's a lot of weird digits here. It doesn't look like, I don't think that's the number. Okay, let me do one of mine and then we'll do yours next again, okay?
Okay.
All right. So this Dramamine I just bought at the store. Okay? And I'm going to type the whole number. 83124800198 Okay? Look at that. There it is. There's actually a bunch of them. They're all the same. Okay? So if there's a bunch of them, I want you to pick the best rank. Which one's the best rank? 0? 988? 72,000? Or 237,000?
Wait, do they have to be the higher or the lowest?
The lower the number, the popular it is.
Wait, the what?
The lower the number, the popular it is.
To go up?
We appreciate your cooperation.
And
Which one's the best number?
900.
988. Very cool. Here's the difference though. It's a pack of 5. I only bought one, but we'll go to this one. Just know that if you're going to sell this listing, you have to put 5 of them in there. Okay? But this is popular, right? We're going to pick the popular item here. So we're going to select it. Okay?
Whoa, it went up and then it went down.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is a pack of 5 of the Dramamine. I was at the airport and I got it for $9. Okay. So this is the same that's going to happen on your phone while your mom's fixing it. So all I'm doing here, you see the cost? How much did I buy it?
$9.
So I put $9. And how much is it being sold right now?
70.
70. Now remember, $9 is only one. So if we're going to sell 5, how much is that? How many do we have to buy?
$70.
Well, that's how much it's selling on Amazon. But if we're going to sell 5 of these Dramamines and it costs $9, how much do I have to buy?
Like, how do I do that?
So I only bought one, right? This listing is a pack of 5. So how many of this do we need to buy to sell on this listing? 5. So I have to go to the store and buy 5 of these. Now I bought one for $9. So how much is it going to cost to buy 5? I know we got some multiplication here. 9, right? $9 times 5 of the Dramamine.
45.
$45. So we're changing this to $45 is my cost, right? It's selling for 70. Automatically, look at that. It tells you the software tells you how much you're going to make if you sell 5 of these. So you're making $16.50 if you sold this and you bought it for $45. It's a 37% ROI. Do you know what ROI stand for? Return on investment. So what it means is that the goal for the ROI, okay, if you're going to buy products, I want you to try to find products between 50 and 70% ROI. What that means is if you're buying a $10 item, you want to get your $10 back and make $5. That's 50%. You get it?
Yeah.
If you want to make 70%, you're buying a product that's $10. You sell it, you got to get your $10 back plus $7 profit. That's 70%. Okay, so is this within our criteria, 50 to 70%?
Yeah.
No, it's only 37%. Even though we're making $17 profit. Now it depends on you guys, but my criteria has to be a minimum of 50%. So to me, I have to pass on this. Possibly. Well, maybe I might have to think twice because the fact that it's selling so fast at 988. Okay. So so that's step 1. What is step 1? You got to look at what first?
The rank.
Right. Step 2, you got to know how much you're going to buy it for, right? The cost. And how much you're going to sell it for, which is the FBA price. Okay, $70. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty easy?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on here? It's not what I want. Okay, so let's look at okay, so the next step is Keepa. You're gonna have this on your phone too. So what Keepa is a graph that logs all the costs of the item, like forever. Okay, so you could click on that and it'll pop up, and you could do this on your phone too, okay, while you're at the store or wherever. So what this means is, look at this, it stayed at $25. Actually, this is, yeah, it stayed at $25 for 2-3 months. And then all of a sudden, boom, it's selling for $70, and then it goes back down again. Okay? So what does that mean? You want to take a guess? Do you think it's worth buying?
Wait.
Do you think it's worth selling? You want me to repeat the question?
Yeah.
It's okay. So you notice right here this line, right? This blue line. That means that the price actually that's being sold on Amazon is actually under $30. You see the $30 right here? It's actually under it. Okay? There's only a little bit of, like maybe a couple of days that it went up to $70. And then it went back down again. You see that? Okay? It's mostly under $30. Now, because it's mostly under $30, let's go back, then most likely this is not the case. Most likely it's going to be $30. But you're buying it for $45. What do you think is, do you think you're going to make a profit? Do you think you're going to make money?
No.
Why?
Because it went up so high.
It did go up so high. I like it that it went up so high, right? But it's not high consistently. That means that it'll most likely go back down because of this graph, right? It tells us, the data tells us that the product has always been under $30, but we're buying it for $45. So we're actually losing money. You see that? We're losing negative $20. What do you think? Now, if I ended up buying this, let's say I go to a wholesaler, I call the wholesaler in this box, which is prestige brand company made in India. So I call them and I say, hey, can I sell this? And they're going to give it to me at wholesale price, meaning that not the retail price. So what happens if they give it to me, let's say, for example, for $1, right? So if they're giving it to me for $1 and I need to sell 5, how much is my cost?
Wait, can you repeat that? I don't.
So I bought this for wholesale for $1 and I need to sell 5. How much is my cost?
5.
$5. Correct. So I'm going to change my cost to $5 and we're going to sell it at $30. Okay? The reason why I'm picking this is because these guys right here on the left, the ones in red, these are all merchants. Merchants are people that sell on Amazon, but they don't use FBA. They have to ship it themselves. So these guys are not us. This is us right here, people that are FBA. Okay? People that are FBA are people that use Amazon's warehouse, and Amazon is the one shipping them and getting free shipping, right? You ordered from Amazon before? Has your mom ordered from Amazon before? You know how do you guys have Prime? Are you guys Prime members?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So these are people that can get free shipping. Okay? So we're going to keep it at $30 because of Keepa. Okay? And we're selling it for, we bought it for $5. Look at our ROI now.
Wow.
So we're actually making $19.41 if we get it into a wholesale, as an example. And
How do you know?
Hmm?
How do you know which one to pick? Like, since you said that those are something, how do you know? Like, how do you know that you have to pick the 30?
Oh, because remember we went to Keepa, right? Look at the numbers. Look at the blue line. It's all 28, 28, 25, 26. And then boom, it went up to 70, and then it went back down again, 25, 26.
Oh.
So I'm keeping it in the $30 range, because so far in the last couple of months, it's selling under $30, except for a brief moment here. Okay, so that's how I got the $30. So if you get this as wholesale, as an example, you would be making $19 off of this product and making, what's your ROI?
388%.
Is that within our criteria? Yeah, because it's above 50%, right?
Yeah.
So if we get it for that price, you think it's worth buying?
Yes.
Yes. Especially the rank is good, the Keepa is good, we're keeping it under the right price. And that's it. That's how you find products. The key thing is to make sure that your ROI is minimum 50%. Okay? Any questions, Dina? I know your mom's hanging out too.
No, it makes sense.
It makes sense, right? So I want you guys to practice some more because you guys haven't set up your phone yet. So have your mom set up the Amazon account. Do you guys have your Amazon account already?
No, there was two things I had to do. Was the Amazon account and there was something else.
The Inventory Lab. You have to subscribe to it, because Inventory Lab is the company that does the app, and that'll help you.
Oh, I just did that one. Yeah.
But your Inventory Lab is not your app is not going to work until your Inventory Lab is connected to your Amazon account.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Yeah. So when you do those two things, on the homework note on day one, there's more homework for parents. So just like review that. You don't have to do everything at once. The faster you could do it, the better, of course. But just setting up your Amazon account and doing this Inventory Lab, you're already ready to find product. Okay? Do
we just go to like a shop and just randomly scan things?
Yes, you can do that. That's what retail arbitrage is. That's the business model for retail arbitrage. You just go to stores or anywhere. It could be a garage sale and scan books. You know, you could go to a used library store and scan. As long as they have a barcode, you could scan and see and find the data. The key is finding the data.
Got it.
Yep.
Yeah? So I want you to practice some more. Have your mom set it up for you. And you could scan stuff around the house if you want, because part of the homework is for you to do that. Okay? Find 10 things that you could find around the house that you could scan and write them down in that assignment sheet paper that you could print out on video too. Okay? If you don't find stuff at the house, you can go to a local store if you guys have time. Pretty easy?
Yeah.
That's it. It's all about just scanning away, finding the numbers, and making sure that you're actually getting the right price.
Okay.
You want to do one more? Or you're good? You understand?
My mom has these cookies.
Okay, let's see the cookies.
Can I tell you the numbers now?
Sure.
787 692 4624.
All right, let's see if we can get this. Okay, so you got some cookies. Oh yeah, I love these cookies. Okay, so which one would you pick?
Ooh.
Remember, we're looking for rank, the best rank, right?
Yeah.
Is it the highest rank or the lowest?
The lowest rank. The lower, the popular.
The 2,706.
Yep, remember, and it's a pack of 12 though. Okay, so that's the difference. So let's pick that. Whoa, look at all this up and down thing. So how much did you buy the one bag of cookie? The 1 4-ounce cookie? Do you remember?
Oh, it came as a pack.
It came as a pack.
Okay, so how was it, a pack of 12?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much did you buy it for?
I think it was like $19.
19.
Oh, wow. So you're not making money, right? Because look, they're selling it for the same price, almost the same price.
Oh.
So you put 19, you're losing money, negative 30%. Now, if you call the back of the box and get a wholesale account, for example, and let's say we got the pack of 12 for, I don't know, maybe like $8, as I'm just throwing a number out. And you're selling it for how much?
19.
Well, we're going to sell for 21. Why? Because we're
ROI.
Well, because we're FBA, right? We always want to sell through whoever's the number on this side first. These are merchants, people that don't use FBA. Okay, so we're going to go with this number. We're selling it for $21.91, and we're making a $5 profit. What's our ROI?
64.38%.
Yes. So is that within our criteria?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, we want it minimum 50%. Now let's go to Keepa again. I'm going to click on Keepa. Okay. Let's see if the price changes. Look at this.
That's crazy.
So it's all over the place. The price is jumping. But what's consistent here? Look at the blue. What's the consistent amount?
1962.
Yeah, so it's staying in the $19 range. Amazon, look at, it's so weird. Look, Amazon came in for like 3 days selling for $23 in February. So we know, what does that mean? That this $21.91, it might go down, right? Because according to Keepa, it's staying within the $19 range, right? So let's change that a little bit and put $19.94 with these guys. Actually, $19.95. Let's do that. So you're making $3.49. Your ROI is 43%.
It's not good.
Not good, right? But I'm still willing to probably buy it because right now it's selling for $21.91. Okay, that means that you want to be able to sell it right away because it might go down. It'll probably most likely go down a little bit. But even if it goes down to $19.95 again, you're still making $3. Okay. You guys get it?
Yeah.
It's pretty simple, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's all about finding the right number. Okay. So tomorrow, this is good stuff. So tomorrow when we talk again, we can go over some more products. if you want.
Okay.
I want you to find products and explain to me why they're profitable. And we'll talk about brands too.
Okay.
Watch video 3. Are you guys done with video 2?
Yeah, we did video 3 last night.
Oh, you did video day 3 already?
Mhm.
Oh, wow. You guys are ahead.
Well, before we even went on this call, but like a long time ago, I think we already started the one from the January 25th.
Oh, nice. Okay, so why don't you look up some products for me? Okay, that'll be your homework. And do the homework. Do the homework that's on day 3, which is the brands.
Okay. We already did the brands.
Oh, you did do the brands?
We can save it for tomorrow.
Oh, cool. Then we'll talk about that tomorrow. You're ahead of the pack. Any questions? Is it pretty easy? You think you could do this?
Yeah.
Not bad, huh?
No.
Yeah. All right. So we'll talk tomorrow. You're good to go. Any other last minute questions, Dina, Erica?
No, we'll just go looking at shops and finding things to make money with.
Okay. Yay. All right. Talk soon.
All right, have a safe flight.
Great job. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, how do I?